Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1064 of trying a new makeup product every day. Also, if you're watching this when it comes out, Happy New Year! It's officially 2021. Wow, here we are. So the first product I'm trying out in the year of 2021 is the Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. And I'm really excited about this because this seems like the ultimate multitasking product. So I got this in the shade Sweet Talker and Swipe. It does come in two shades. You can get this on the Wander Beauty website. You can get it at Sephora. It retails for $22. I do always like to let you know when I did receive a product for free in PR. And so I do always like to let you know when I did receive a product for free in PR. So this was sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. But I love Wander Beauty because they make such multitasking, on-the-go, travel-friendly type products. And this one is all of the above. So what it comes with is two glosses. There's a tinted one on top and then a clear one on the bottom. And there are so many different ways that you can apply this and use it. But another thing I love about the Wander Beauty products is that they have really good ingredients in them. So this one has sunflower seed oil, green tea leaf extract, and safflower seed oil. So those are supposed to be antioxidant, moisturizing, soothing. So I love all of that. And so first, I want to go ahead and try out the tinted version. So my lips are so dry right now. I want to start out by applying this to my lips and see how it works there. So I'm just going to use my finger. And it really does have like a balm texture. Ooh, it seems to have a lot of pigment to it actually. So let's see how it looks. Since my lips are so dry, the pigment seems to be clinging to the dry patches. I want to go in with a little bit more. Yeah. It leaves a lot of texture on my dry lips. Luckily, there is a clear version, so I'm gonna go ahead and try putting some of the clear one on my lips. It has some nice shine to it, it looks like. Yeah, the clear has shine, whereas the tinted I think is more matte. Even with the clear on top of the matte tinted color, like it's still really clinging to the dry patches on my lips. And the shade doesn't look good on my lips either. Like it really washes out my lips. All right, so far, not too good. But there's other ways to use this. So I'm gonna go back into the tinted version and use my finger again and try applying it as a cream blush. Yeah, like I definitely expected that this would be really good for a blush. And it is, because it has like the perfect amount of pigment, a beautiful texture to sit on top of my makeup, melt into the skin. So I really like that on the cheek. I'm even gonna go in with a tiny bit more because you know I love blush. Super easy to apply, like it looks so good on my cheek. It looks so smooth. It has a little bit of glow, hydration. It's like completely opposite of how it looks on my lips. So love this on the cheek. I'll definitely use this as a blush, just not as a lip color. And I really like this kind of light pink salmon-y shade on the cheeks. That's really pretty, flattering. So it's like I love it as a blush color, but I don't love it as a cheek color, which is kind of a bummer because I love when the lips and the cheeks are coordinated in color. I think that looks really good. But in this case, doesn't work for me, but love it as a blush. Next, I'm going back into the clear color, and I'm gonna try applying it as a highlighter since it has that pretty sheen. Ooh, I do like that. And what I really like is that it's not lifting my foundation, because sometimes these types of products can really do that. But look at that. That looks pretty. It's definitely the shiny, dewy type of highlighter. And I like this look, but I personally like a little bit more of like that glow shimmer. And this does kind of leave like that little sticky texture to the skin as well, but it looks really pretty, kind of that glass skin effect, which I love. It really is such a beautiful texture on the skin, which I'm so surprised because not a beautiful texture on my lips. It's just not, oh, there's a little mirror in here too, so cute. It's just not hydrating my lips. Oh well, just move on from the lips. It looks so bad though. But I love that they also say that you can use the clear as a brow gel, which is interesting. I mean, let's see how that looks. Like, it'll definitely add a little hold to the brows, add a little glossiness. But I mean, if I was in a pinch, I would definitely use this as a brow gel. Another way that it says that you could apply it is like to tame some flyaways. This little hair gel. I mean, that definitely seems like it works. So it's just kind of like your all-purpose little clear gel, which is great to have, and a little travel product. And I also love that it has the mirror, which makes it travel friendly for on the go. So I think this is such a fun product. I wish it worked better for my lips. I could, in a pinch, use the clear as just like a little lip gloss, but I just personally have such dry lips that I need more hydration than what this is giving me. But it's so funny how opposite it is on my skin and on my face, because I love it as a blush. Even the highlight looks so pretty and smooth and hydrating. So I will get use out of this product. I'm really excited about it, actually. I love innovative packaging. I love innovative formulas and products that are just different. And I don't have any other product like this in my collection. I've never seen products like this before. So I really appreciate those types of products. So definitely let me know your thoughts on this if you've tried it out. Let me know your favorite uses. If you have any ideas for other uses, I mean, you could probably even put it on your eyes. Like, I'm not a big fan personally of like the sticky, like gel type eye products, but I'm sure you could just pretty much apply this wherever. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.